In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate stunning AI images in Leonardo AI from a simple prompt. We'll keep it straightforward and clear so you can follow along and get great results even if it's your first time. First, go to the Leonardo AI website. Once you're on the main interface, navigate to the image section. This is where all the visual magic happens and where you'll set up the generation settings before creating your images. At the top, set the model selector to auto. Auto is a smart choice if you're not sure which specific model to use, because it automatically picks an engine suited to your prompt and style. It's designed to be a reliable default, which helps you get good outcomes without fine-tuning technical options. Next, choose your style. Think of style as the overall vibe or artistic direction. You might want something photorealistic for lifelike portraits, cinematic for dramatic lighting and mood, illustrative for a drawn or painted look, or anime for bold lines and stylized characters. If you're undecided, pick the option that best matches your prompt's subject and tone. It will guide the model toward a consistent aesthetic. Now choose your aspect ratio. This determines the shape of your image. Square works well for balanced compositions and social feeds. Portrait is great for characters, posters, and mobile screens. Landscape favors environments, architecture, and wide scenes. Choose an aspect ratio that complements your subject so important details aren't cramped or cut off. Select the number of images you want generated. Creating multiple variations can be helpful for comparing compositions and picking your favorite. If you're experimenting, start with a small batch to save time and resources, then increase once you know what works. Type in your prompt. Clear descriptive prompts produce better results. Include the subject, style cues, lighting, mood, and any key details you care about. If you're stuck, consider drafting or refining your prompt with a writing assistant like ChatGPT to add specificity and structure. For example, instead of a forest, try a misty sunlit forest at dawn with soft rays filtering through tall pines, cinematic lighting. The more precise your language, the more the model understands your intent. When everything looks good, click on Generate. The system will process your request and display the results when they're ready. If the images aren't quite what you envisioned, adjust your style choice, aspect ratio, or wording in the prompt and generate again until it aligns with your goal. And that's it. You've learned the full flow. Open Leonardo AI, set your model to auto, choose a style and aspect ratio, pick your image count, write a clear prompt, and generate.